I'm Middle Eastern, I just improvise. So if you got something that's more safer than this, please go for it.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm going to be cooking is, it's very similar to last week, kind of, in a way. It's based on chicken and potatoes again. It's going to be creamy chicken with crushed potatoes. Stay tuned, see how it goes, but make sure you subscribe to the channel. Once that's done, flip over to Instagram, follow me there as well, and now we can begin the show. Right, ladies and gentlemen, here's what you want to do. You want to get a pan, a frying pan, turn it on hot. We're going to let that carry on as it is, and then I've got a bunch of small baby potatoes, okay, which I've washed. Mind you, I did try that as an example, so yeah, keep that there. We've got some mushrooms in there as well. That's all been washed. That's for later. Right now, what you want to do is get this, like a cup, and what you want to do is crush them. So I've done one, just to test it out, see how it goes. So yeah, here we go, one by one. I'm Middle Eastern, I just improvise. So if you got something that's more safer than this, please go for it. It's tough cracking one of these, you know. Blam! Just pour a pinch of olive oil just to get it going, okay? Wiggle it about, all nice, lovely jubbly. Right, what you want to do, get them, dash them in, right, just like so. Let them crack on, mate. Okay. Feel. Oh, this one's coming apart. Anyway, doesn't matter. Let that do its thing. Just pour some salt onto it. Leave it. We've got 2 pieces of chicken breast. What you want to do, get rid of the excess fat, the bits that you don't want involved, get it out, check for bones, right, yada yada yada. I should have really sharpened up my knife for this, but there you go. There you go, that's what you get for being lazy. Where's the other one? This one looks kind of clean, I'm not gonna lie. That's alright. Do that. Just that last little bit there. Right, what you want to do is cut these into little diagonally, not all the way through, just a little bit, right? So, like that. Like that. Keep an eye on them, make sure they don't burn. Turn it down a little bit, say halfway through. Yeah, and now we go this way. Gotta go all the way through, so don't think it cut this one though. Yeah, okay. Let's try it this way so it's... Let's see how we do. Let's see how we do, mate. Eat some of it then, you love. Chopping up some chicken, eh? Yeah. It would help if it was, you know, see how it is all like diamondy and all of that? Well, to the best of your ability, of course. You want to get some smoked paprika in there? Okay. Flip it over. do the same. So it's all looking the same colorish. Okay, fairly. Then you got some turmeric. Yeah. Just work it about like so. Oh boy, my hands are gonna all get all colory and all of that. I'm not gonna. Oh no, pieces of chicken are falling out. It's a lot of turmeric. But there you go. That's that. Wiggle it about. Lovely jubbly. Get the pan in. Whilst we wait for that to heat up, let's have a look at this. Look at that. That's warm. Alright, that's good. Get these, flip it over. Yeah. Let them do it slowly. Make sure you do this for now evenly, and then we can throw them about after. Once we know that it's all, you know, both sides have been cooked thoroughly. Okay, because still in the middle it's a bit raw, like, if you will. So yeah, keep it on low heat, let it cook slowly, put the lid on. Once it is, well, once it's a bit more crispy on the outside, we'll sort out the rest. Put the lid back on, keep the heat going. Okay, there's that. Looking hot. Pinch of olive oil, just a touch. Come on, mate. Wiggle it about. And then you're gonna just, I'll figure it out right, dash it in. Right, so we've got the potatoes going, we've got the chicken going, and now you remember the mushrooms from earlier? There you are. It is time to chop these bad boys up and place them in a pan. So just slice them up thinly, okay, nice and thin, stick it in the pan, okay. These don't need anything, you just want to cook them, that's all it is. Doesn't really matter, chop it up into little pieces, just as long as they're thin. You don't want nothing like no chunky bits basically, right? Okay. We're trying to find the lid to put over this so it captures the heat and it cooks nicely, but let's see. That's the best I can find. Let that go and do its thing. What we're gonna do, let this crack on. Mushroom has water in there, so it will slowly, will come out and it'll start cooking and it will shrink and all of that. Bob's your uncle, will add salt, pepper, add the cream when it's right. As you can see, our mushrooms, they're softening them up. You can see the steam coming out, that's the water that's coming out of them and obviously evaporating. As for our chicken, I'm gonna just flip them around, turn them over, and hopefully, you know, we can get that going. I've got the kettle on to boil some water to pour in to our potatoes. Right, that's done. Put the lid back on that, let that cook as it is. Right, look at that. Look at that, will ya? Nice, lovely. And when I say a pinch of water, I mean just a pinch of water. Yeah? And then put the lid on, let it boil within itself. You can maybe do that once more, maybe twice more just to get it going. And yeah, look at this. It's coming out nicely, eh? We are getting there. This is all coming together nicely. What you can slowly start to do is add some pepper. Right, pinch of pepper to this. Oh, mate. Blow it out of the way. A pinch of salt. Yep, yada yada yada. There you go. Lovely. Where's the thing? I really shouldn't use this fork in this, but there you go. You can hear that sizzling away. Lovely. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we're almost there. It's the last few minutes, so let's just do a quick checkup. This is our potatoes. Look at those beauties. They're coming up well. They're nice and crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Yeah, they're cooked. Okay, just letting them do its thing. We've got our lovely two pieces of chicken breast. Look at that. Although the cuts that are done, the grooves that are done, isn't showing, which is a shame. But there you go. And as for our mushrooms, the water has pretty much evaporated. As you can see, they've shrunk. Now what I'm gonna do is add just a little bit of cream, not a lot. Okay, there you go. And then we're gonna turn up the heat a little bit, let that steam up, heat up a little bit, and then we are good to go. Right, ladies and gentlemen, these are all off, everything is off. We are ready to serve, shall we? Take the lids off one at a time. Okay, get your plate. Get yourself, which one should we pick? This is better or that one's better? I think this is better, no? Look at that. Come here, mate. Come here, mate. Lovely. Gorgeous, mate. Gorgeous. Right? Then you want to get your potatoes, a few, just, where is it? Stop playing about. Not all over the place, just a little bit. Right, that's that. Okay, just a couple here and there. Okay, that's that. And then you want to get your creamy sauce and just drizzle over your chicken. Can you guys see this, by the way? Am I clear enough? Just pour some on top with the mushrooms. Beautiful. And then a small dab on there. Just a tiny dab, not a lot. There you go. That's the main thing, job done. And then the final touch. Oh, let me get this out of the pot. Got some chopped parsley, sprinkle on top, sprinkle it about. There you have it. Not too much again, you don't want to overcrowd it. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen. That is your creamy chicken with crushed potatoes. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come